Yo, what down with the family, man? Welcome back to my channel, G. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, okay? Comment, like, subscribe, and turn the notification on. Alright, man? So today's video, I'm giving you top 5 brands, okay? The top 5 brands of 2020, my personal opinion. Alright, man? We're finna go ahead and get into it. Drop down below if somebody else should have been in the top 5 or what brand or designers they should have basically took over 2020. Alright, so starting at number 5, man, we have Pyer coming in with the Human Race / BBC. So to me, Pyer been definitely having a wonderful year this year, collabing with, you feel me, Adidas with the Human Race sneakers, coming out with the Human Race clothing line. Even when he dropped his skincare product, man, Pyer has been having an astounding this year. He really did a huge transition from BBC straight to Human Race, and then recently he just bought back BBC too as well. So man, Pyer has definitely been having an outstanding this year. Definitely I'm gonna cop his skincare line as well, man. Definitely got to get that in for sure. So coming in at number 4, we have Dior. Dior has definitely been coming up. It's the spring summer collection when they dropped the shoes, when they came out with more of a metallic dinosaur look. Definitely was a hit, man. The shirts was selling everything. I love the color scheme. They stuck with a good color scheme for basically like the whole year, which was blue. It was every tint of blue. They definitely did an outstanding job this year, man. Props to Dior. Now, coming in at number 3, we have Joe Fresh Goods, okay? A Chicago native. Hey, Joe Fresh Goods definitely has been going crazy with the collabs, man. From selling bootleg shirts to doing something with Complex Con to his collab with New Balance, which is definitely the #1 sneaker this year, no cap for sure. Joe Fresh Good has been doing good amount of work, putting in blood, sweat, and tears with it, especially coming from Chicago, man. And he just recently did a collab with Converse. I'm definitely waiting for that to drop. Man, Joe Fresh Good is definitely one of the top 5 designers, top 5 brands in my eyes, man. Joe Fresh Goods definitely come in at number 3. All right, so number 2, Owens, Rick Owens, you already know they was coming. Their collabs has been definitely going crazy, man. They recent collab with Moncler, man, everybody has been getting to the side of Rick Owens, you know, more of the sleek black design, you feel me? Not really too flashy, but it's definitely will catch your attention. That's one thing I like about Rick Owens, the way they construct everything from their pieces to the shoes to the Drkshadows to their clothes, even when they did a collab with Adidas. 2020, Rick Owens has definitely did themselves for real. Now, coming in at number 1, my favorite brand, to be honest, man. This is my favorite brand, and I feel like this brand definitely topped everybody in 2020. Pyer, man. Kerbito. Pyer, they did an outstanding job this year. From the collabs with Reebok, from each season they put out, all the way to their personal designs and touches, man. Their colorway is phenomenal, man. The way they have a sleek design is definitely one of one for real. Pyer is one of my top brands, and I feel like will forever be one of my favorite brands. But as far as 2020, man, Pyer definitely did that, man. Top 5 brands 2020, man. There you go. There you guys have it, man. Hey, if y'all feel like another brand should have been in top 5 2020, go ahead and leave a comment below. We can discuss it, do all that stuff, man. You feel me? Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and turn on the notification for the next video, because I will be posting another video very, very soon. All right, man. Wealthy family, we gone.